Okay guys, welcome to this course where I will show you how to draw a portrait. So we start with a circle, 3D shape. It shouldn't be perfect. Okay, something like that, and we make we try to find this line here, like that. Okay, so and we try to make this circle a 3D shape. Okay, and here we are. We put all the features of the human head and neck. So all what we have to do now is to clean up some, and we are good to go. Okay, thanks guys, I hope this course was helpful. We see how to make a circle, to make a human head portrait with an advanced render. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share, give it to your mother, give it to your father, give it to your sister, bring your brother, your sister, your mother. I don't give a fuck. Share this video, million likes. I really would like to get a million likes, million subscribe, million view. See you soon.